Hi garden friends, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I was just out and about and I was not looking for anything, but sometimes it's good to go out and you have nothing in mind that you're looking for, because when you have something in mind, you never find it. So today was one of those days where I just went to the store looking for gardening things in the winter, dead of winter. You never know what you're going to find. And check out what I found. And that was at Old Town Pottery. So if you have an Old Town Pottery in your area, I would suggest taking a look every now and again. They have some really, really good deals. I mean, I have never, ever seen 90% off on a big, substantial clay pot like that that's already glazed. And I definitely had to pick up day two, and I also went to True Value Hardware, and I just was looking around, looking at all the beautiful spring stuff, getting me in the mood for spring. And I found a house plant, and I was not looking for a house plant because I have plenty of house plants, which I will show you. Here's my baby, my new baby. Isn't she lovely? I don't know the name of this plant. It was in a little black pot. On the outside it said houseplant. So if any of you know the name of this plant, please let me know. I found this little green pot at a thrift store, probably $1 or so. I'm not really sure. Excuse me, it was probably cheaper than that. But I added this plant to it, and I also put in some of this peperomia. I'll put the name of it on the screen. This plant, this peperomia, is from a mother plant that I have. And basically all I do is when I want to fluff a pot up, make it look a little fuller, have some plants hanging over, I will put this peperomia in, and I just take it from the mother plant, strip off some of the leaves, and just stick it right in the dirt. And it just hangs and gives a little nice swoop to the sides. And I think that's very nice. But I love the black spotting on these leaves. Some of them are lighter. I have one that's getting ready to open. But yeah, I just put some pebbles in the bottom of this pot because it does not have a drainage hole. And voila, there she is. And I love it. This was a great find for under $5. This one right here is a cute little pot. That I purchased this whole ensemble on Facebook Marketplace. There is a local lady that just buys these little vases from places, and then she puts in from her mother plant her peperomia. So she put this in, added the mother-in-law's tongue, and sold the whole ensemble for $5. I mean, to me, the pot alone would have been $5, maybe the plant an extra $5, but she sold the entire thing for $5, and for that, I'm thankful. I'm not complaining. I'm very happy, but I just thought the pot itself was so cute, so dainty, and on this side, it's really, really cute. I will show you the rest of my houseplants. shopping trip for today. So if you have a chance to go out and do some shopping, get out of the house, I would suggest taking a look at your garden centers, your big box stores, Old Town Pottery, and just see what's out there. You never know when you actually go looking for something specific. Like I said before, you can't find it. But when you're not looking, when you're just out and about, you never know what you end up finding. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.